morning students of standard 12. Welcome in day 7. As you know that in day 6 I have solved some questions which is solved by the method of substitution. Okay. Today I will start another exercise which is solved by integration using trigonometric identities. Okay. That means today I will solve fully based upon trigonometric function. Okay, how to find the integration of any trigonometric function. Okay, so first of all let us see the sum formula of trigonometric functions which you have studied in class 11 already. Okay, so let us see formula number 1. 2 sine square x by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos x. Okay, 2 sine square x by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos x. Second formula, 2 cos square x by 2 is equal to 1 plus cos x. Okay. Formula number 3, 2 sine a into cos b. Sine is first, then you have to write here sine a plus b plus sine a minus b. Formula number 4, 2 cos a into cos b is equal to sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. Formula number 5, 2 cos a into cos b is equal to cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Last formula, 2 sin a into sin b is equal to cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. That means, student, when you will solve some problems of this exercise, you will remember these formulas. Total 6 formulas you have worked on this formula. Then after you will start exercise 2b. So let us see some question from exercise 2b. Students, see exercise 2b, question number 1. You have to find here the integration of trigonometric function sin square x dx. Okay, and you know the formula 2 sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos x. Okay, 2 sin square x by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos x. Here sin square x, that means you will multiply with 2. That means you will multiply and divide by 2, then it becomes 2 sin square x, and if the formula becomes 2 sin square is equal to 1 minus cos 2x, twice of the angle. Okay, so you will multiply 1 by 2 into 2 sin square dx. Okay, 1 by 2, now it becomes 2 sin square x. You will apply the formula 2 sin square. First formula, 2 sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x dx. Okay, 1 by 2. Now you will separate 1 into dx. So you will find the integration of simply dx minus integration of cos 2x dx. Okay, 1 by 2, and you know that the integration of dx, only dx is equal to x. Okay, minus cos 2x, integration of cos 2x is equal to sin 2x, cos 2x sin 2x, and the integration of 2x is equal to 2x plus c. So differentiation of 2x is equal to 2. Okay, so answer is 1 by 2 into x, half x, half into sin 2x by 2, half into sin 2x by 2 minus sin, okay, plus constant term, then finally answer is 1 by 2x, 2 to the 4, 1 by 4 sin 2x plus c. Okay, now let us see next question. Students, see question number 3. Question number 2. You have to find the integration of the trigonometric function sin to the power 5x dx. Okay, first of all you will break the sin to the power 5x into sin to the power 4x into sin x dx. Okay, that means we have to find here the integration of sin to the power 4x into sin x dx, and you can write here sin to the power 4x is equal to sin square x to the power whole 2. Okay, that means you will convert integration of sin square x to the power whole 2 into sin x dx. Okay, and you know that in 10th class we have studied about sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. That means you can write as sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x. So you will break the term sin square x into 1 minus minus cos square x to the power 2 sin x dx. Okay. Now let cos x is equal to 2. You have to find here the basic term cos x. Okay. So you will suppose that cos x is equal to t. Then you have to find the first derivative of the given equation cos x is equal to t. You will find the derivative d by dx of cos x is equal to dt by dx. You know the first derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x. Then it becomes minus sin x is equal to dt by dx. That means we can say that dt is equal to minus sin x dx. Okay, dt is equal to minus sin x dx. Now move on the question. You will multiply with minus term. Okay, this minus become plus. Okay, so you will apply minus here. Integration of 1 minus cos square x to the power whole 2 dot minus sin x dx. You will just add in your side minus plus. Okay, now let us see minus integration of 1 minus. You will put the value of t is equal to cos x. So cos x is equal to t cos square x t square to the power whole 2 minus sin x dx. Minus sin x dx is equal to dt. So you will put dt instead of minus sin x dx. Okay, now it is too easy. Minus integration of a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. A square 1 square 1 plus b square t square square t to the power 4 minus 2ab minus 2 into 1 into t square minus 2t square dt. Okay, now you will separate the term minus 1 into dt. That means you have to find the integration of minus integration dt minus t to the power 4 dt minus minus plus 2 t square dt. Okay, you will just multiply minus from minus 1 minus t4. Okay, minus plus t 2. Now it becomes, you know, the differentiation of integration of dt is equal to t. This becomes minus t and t to the power 4. Integration of t to the power 4 becomes t to the power 5 by 5. T to the power 5 by 5 with minus sign plus 2 constant term t square t to the power 3 by 3 2 by 3 t cube plus constant term. Now lastly you will put the value of t is equal to cos x. So this is minus cos x minus cos 5x by 5 plus 2 by 3 cos qx plus constant term. So this is your final answer. Let us see next question. Students, see question number 6. First question, we have to find the integration of 1 minus cos 2x by 1 plus cos 2x dx. You know 1 minus cos 2x is equal to 2 sin square x and 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x dx. 2 cancel out. Then you have to find the integration of sin square x by cos square x. Sin by cos tan. That means you have to just find the integration of tan square x dx. You will break the term tan square x. You know in 10th class tan square sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. That means you can say that tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. So you have to find here the integration of sec square x minus 1 dx. Okay. Now you will separate the term sec square x dx minus integration dx. Okay. You know the integration of sec square x dx is equal to tan x and the integration of dx into dx is x. So final answer is tan x minus x plus constant term. This is your answer. Students, today's class is over and today's homework is, this is your homework for day 7. Do question 1 to 7 of exercise 2b. Okay, you have to work on question 1 to 7 of exercise 2b. Today's class is over, students. Thanks to all of you for watching me. Have a nice day.